Hello everyone. In the last project, we built a game where we learned how to make decisions based on certain events occurring in the game. We used the if statement to make those decisions. We also manipulated the different attributes of shapes and sprites to change their appearance. In this project, we will build another game where the movement of characters is controlled by a mouse pointer, and we will give randomness to the movement of some sprites. The game is called Alien Invasion. The game will have two aliens, one moving left to right and the other going down. Both appear at a random position. The game also has two heroes, which are controlled by a mouse pointer. The hero towards the bottom can only move left-right, while the second can move only up and down. The game also has a scoring process built in. Let's get started. Prepare a new project. Set the window size to 600 and 700 pixels. Build a sprite for the background of the project. Make a BG variable and call the sprite function. Copy the link from the materials library and paste it inside the sprite function. The coordinate for the image will be middle of the output window. The width and height of this image will be the same as the window. Build an Iron Man 1 variable and call the sprite function. This sprite will be for our first hero. Choose the source of the image from the materials library. Write the coordinate of the sprite towards the bottom of the window. Add width and height as 80 pixels. Copy this line and paste it into the next line. Change the variable name to Iron Man 2. Change the coordinate of this sprite to the right side of the screen. Draw all these sprites, starting out with the background sprite. Run the program and test it. Now, let's control the movement of both heroes. The left and right movements of the mouse pointer will control the bottom hero. So assign the x-coordinate of the mouse to the first hero's x-coordinate. Similarly, the up-down movement of the mouse pointer will control the other hero. So assign the y-coordinate value of the mouse to the Iron Man 2 sprite's y-coordinate. Run the program and test it. Now let's add two alien sprites to our project. Make Alien 1 variable and call the sprite function. Copy the source from the material library and paste it inside the sprite function. Add the coordinates so it is towards the top of the screen. Make the width and the height 50 pixels. Copy this line and paste it into the next line. Change the variable name to Alien 2 and change its coordinates towards the left side of the screen. Write a program to draw these alien sprites inside the draw function. Run the program. We want these aliens to move toward the opposite side of the screen. For the first alien, we will decrease its y-coordinate value so that it falls downwards. Similarly, for the second alien, we will increase its x-coordinate to make it slide toward the right side of the screen. Run the program to test it. So the alien sprites disappear once they pass the border of the screen. We want them to come back to their original side and again start moving towards our heroes. Let's first program the first alien. To check whether the first alien has crossed the bottom border, write an if statement and check if its y-coordinate is less than 0. If it is less, reset its y-coordinate to 700 pixels. Similarly, for the second alien, check if its x-coordinate becomes more than the window's width. Set the x-coordinate of the second alien to 0. Run the program to test it. You can see the alien reappear on the screen, but we want the other coordinate to be selected randomly. To achieve this, we will use the random library. Inside the random library, we have a random function. This function returns a random integer between two numbers specified. Let's use this function in our project. Import functions from the random library. For the first alien, we will choose its x coordinate randomly. Write alien1.x equals random.randInt. We want a random integer between 0 and the width of the window. For the second alien, we will choose its y-coordinate randomly. Choose a random integer between 0 and the height of the window and assign it to the y-coordinate of the second alien. Run the program. Now, let's program the collision behavior between the alien and hero sprite. If the hero touches the alien coming towards it, the alien will go back to its original side and repeat its journey. Write the code as shown in the video. Run the program. As you can see, the alien now reacts to the collision. Let's now add scoring to the game. Make a score variable, initialize it to 0, and declare it global inside the draw function. Also, make a text sprite and save it in a txt variable. Write text as 0 and add coordinates pointing towards the top of the screen. Select the size of the text and add the color as red. When the alien collides with the hero, increase the score by 1 and decrease the score by 5 if the hero fails to make contact with the alien. Convert the score to string data and change the source of the txt variable. Draw the text string. We have completed the program. Run and play the game. Try to get a high score. As a practice, try creating this game with keyboard-controlled players instead of mouse-controlled. Good luck!